Welcome to our tutorial on enabling high-quality video uploads only when using Wi-Fi on X Twitter for optimal video sharing. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the X app on your Android device. Once inside, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. This will lead you to the next step. Next, select Setting and Support to access the Settings menu. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy to further customize your preferences. Now, navigate to Accessibility, Display, and Languages and tap on it to explore additional settings. Look for Data Usage and tap on it to proceed. Within the Data Usage section, you'll find the option to select High-Quality Video Uploads under the Video settings. Tap on this option to ensure high-quality uploads. To upload high-quality videos only when connected to Wi-Fi, tap on Mobile Wi-Fi Only to restrict high-quality uploads to Wi-Fi networks. By following these steps, you can optimize your video sharing experience on X, Twitter, by enabling high-quality uploads exclusively when using Wi-Fi. Share your moments in the best possible quality while conserving your mobile data.